Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to integrate affiliate conversions in Revcontent. Log into your Revcontent account. Go to Account Settings. At the bottom of the settings page, copy the Revcontent API key. Log into your WeCanTrack account. Go to Data Sources and Websites. Edit Website and click Show More Integrations. Paste your Revcontent API key and click Save and Integrate. Go to Features and enable your Revcontent integration. You're all set. Don't forget to check out our other integration videos.